everybody. Today we have a laptop with flickering screen. Let's see how to fix it. Let's start. So let's start with disconnecting the battery so we don't cause a short on the motherboard. There are two screws under the rubber foot. Now we have to separate the bottom so we can access the battery. So find a gap between the case bottom and the palm rest and then work your way around to disconnect all the clips. Okay, now we have access to our battery. So we have to unscrew it. Okay, now slide it down, and now it's disconnected. Now we can work on the screen. So we have to separate the front bezel. So after we take out the front bezel, now we have access to the screen. You have to catch the pulling tab with the adhesive and pull it out from underneath the screen. Okay, so one side is free. Now we will be pulling out the other one. So now I found the second pull tab on the other side and gently remove it. Now we have access to the video cable connector, so let's disconnect it from the screen. Alright, so that's our bad screen. Now we're going to put the new one in. So that's our new screen. Alright, let's plug in the new screen and make sure it works before we install it with the adhesive strips. Let's get a charger going. There we go. Okay, screen's working and not flickering, so let's install it properly. So I'm gonna use a tape to secure the connection. Since the cable is so short and it's pulling. Now the adhesive.
Right, time to take the protective film before I install the bezel. Bezel is in place. Last thing, let's put the battery back in. Let's make sure which screws are going in. Well, I guess they're marked with the white arrows. Alright, time to put the bottom case back on and the laptop will be ready. So longer screws are on the corners and then a couple shorter ones up front. Make sure you don't try to screw the long ones in the front, because then you'll puncture the palm rest. Couple more here. Okay, laptop is ready.